First trip of 2019, we're off to Arran for a wee bike pack to the south of the island, we think. Probably Kildonan, Seal Shore area. So again, follow us along and we'll see how this wee one pans out. No bother. Right, come on you halfwit. We have a queue for the food. So has arrived at Brodick, just about to depart and head south. Coming into lash and the Holy Isle dead ahead of us. Evening. Right, we're now in Whiting Bay. Water and pea stop. Just to be graphic about it. I think we're about 7.5, 8 miles in, Richard says. So it shouldn't take long to get to Whiting Bay, Kildonan. And then we're going to go to Seal Shore and then along towards the waterfalls. So that's us turned off and heading down to Kildonan. There's Plada in the centre, just there. And then, for those of you who don't know the area, Eels of Craig volcanic plug, where you get stoned for curling stones around the world. Now it's much brighter on the camera, but it looks much brighter. There we go, we're going to camp in here I think. Got a nice wee headland down there, but we're out the wind. So, Plada again and back towards Kildonan village. Tricky Dicky in his Helium 1. Ur James in his MSR Access 1. Oh! That's the seals away then. Yeah, it was some good chunky bits we got. There we go.
Is that the Kildonan Hotel?
Right on the shore, yeah. So I must admit it's got a view to die for out the restaurant. Just over there. Can you see what it is yet?
It makes a difference having a wee fire, doesn't it?
It sure does. What would we do without our fires? Nippy up here, isn't it? Bit bra. Looking for a late supper. A live supper of crab. We're a long way out from the fire. See if I can show you the fire in the background. The fire is away over there. So that's how far out the tide has gone. Because we were on the edge of the sand. So it's very low tide. This is where I'd probably go in my butt.
I can do that there, like when the tide's coming in, they'll come in. Splash about the rock pool, you start agitating water, like that's it, tide's coming and all that, right, take it up, let's go. If you don't put milk in it, it's not bad. I should have taken my tea bag out because I could have primed my flask, but never mind. When the tide's coming in.
Can you see it?
It's right there.
Where?
Right here.
That's not the tide. Is it? Right, torch test.
Is that 2 or 1?
That's James's.
James's
Yours looks brighter.
torch. Get up the hill up the top there. Yeah, can see it.
Ah, you get more definition in yours.
That's good. Right, Richard's torch. Not quite as. It's good, but it's not quite as good, I would say. Just going to get some water. It's about 9 o'clock on Sunday morning. We've had a long lie, relatively speaking, actually, because we must have hit our kips about 10:30. Anyway, it's not a bad morning. It's damp, but it's still. You see the tents in the background over there. I'm just going to go and get this water supply for breakfast. Couple of wee pals watching us. 1, 2. Yeah, James is on mackerel and beans. Healthy and tasty. What's Richard on?
This morning we'll be having the expedition breakfast. It's an expedition making it, you've got to wait 8 minutes.
You can tell the
Vegetarian,
old school versus a lightweight school. Criticisms. Oh, you got a wee pan of chocolate as well?
Ah, you're not supposed to see that. But
Oh, middle class campers. Right, it's been a leisurely pack up this morning. We're going to go and have a wee look at the waterfall just up the road, and then we'll head back to the ferry.
Bob's your auntie, if you turned it right now.
Here he comes.
The only blind backpacker you know.
humiliation.
That was great. I loved it. It was in the red line. Remember that? It was really funny. Killer climb. Lovely. It's going grey. Quick. I think they do sell black something in there for dyeing clothes. You'll be alright. Anyway, we're going to head for a wee coffee before the ferry comes in. We're early. Made good time. And we'll jump on the boat at 1:30. So again, everyone, thanks for watching. And just a wee micro escape, but hopefully another one next weekend as well. Until the next time.